Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be an informative one because I'm going to talk about the skin type we have. So what happens is, if a person is using a product and it's suiting his skin, so what we do is we buy the same product for us, and the results are that it may cause acne to your skin, it can damage your skin. So what is the reason for this? So the reason is having a different skin type from that person. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the skin type we people have. We will talk about the products we can use for the different skin type. So what you need to do is you just have to wash your face with a cleanser or a face wash and just pat dry your skin with a towel and just wait for half an hour to know your skin type. So everybody have two zones in their skin. The first one is T zone and the second one is C zone. So after washing your face, if your face do not become oily, so your skin type is normal. If you are having oil in the T zone of your area, you tend to have a combination skin. And if you are having oil on your T zone as well as on your C zone, then you are having a oily skin type. And lastly, if you are having a stretchy skin after washing your face, then it's a dry skin. That's what I have. Now I'm gonna tell you that how much consistency do we need to apply for the dry and oily skin. So first I'm gonna tell you about the oily skin. So starting from the toner, for the oily skin you just have to apply 2 or 3 pumps of the toner, and that is it. Now talking about the serum, I'll suggest you to use a liquid kind of serum rather than using oil one, because your skin is already oily, and if you'll use a oil based serum or oil, it will make your skin more oily. So this should be the consistency of the serum. It's not sticky at all, and yeah, this is somewhat liquid. Just pat it on your skin. So this serum will make your skin hydrating but not oily. Stepping onto this important part of the prepping of your skin is applying sunscreen. So for the oily skin, I would suggest to have a matte kind of sunscreen which have a consistency like this. Applying matte sunscreen will help your skin to protect your skin from the sun rays, as well as it will not feel even greasy on your skin. And the best part is your skin will not feel oily after this. It will feel very smooth and hydrating, and that's what oily skin type people needs. So now we are gonna talk about consistency of the products for dry skin. So people with dry skin should use 4 or 5 pumps of the toner. I have used 6 pumps of it. So now moving to the serum. So I use oil for my skin because it makes my skin very hydrating. The dry skin, don't go for a matte sunscreen. Always go for a sunscreen which is like creamy in texture, so that your skin do not feel that dry. You're already having a dry skin, so you don't want your skin to feel more dry. So I'm using a sunscreen having this consistency, and this is very light. Don't ever just miss the mark. This was the prepping for the skin for dry skin, and this will help your skin to stay hydrating at all time. So now what you need to do is know your skin type and then buy the products of your skin type. Please do not make that blunder mistake which everybody makes. So yeah, now you should know your skin type, then buy the products you need to buy. I hope this video is useful to you, and thank you so much for being with me.